Welcome back to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more Rome research tips and tricks. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This review is based on my personal experience using STICPAY. STICPAY, https://www.sticpay.com/fr-fr, is an e-wallet service that offers a convenient way to manage your online finances. It provides users with a secure platform for making online payments, transferring funds, and withdrawing money. One of STICPAY's standout features is its fast transaction processing times, allowing for near-instantaneous transfers. STICPAY also boasts low transaction fees, making it a cost-effective solution for managing online transactions. The platform supports multiple currencies, offering flexibility for international users. Furthermore, STICPAY offers a prepaid MasterCard, providing a tangible way to access and spend your funds. Security is a priority for STICPAY, with robust measures in place to protect user accounts and funds. The company employs advanced encryption technology and two-factor authentication to ensure the safety of its users. STICPAY's user-friendly interface makes it easy to navigate and manage your finances. Whether you're making online purchases, sending money to friends or family, or withdrawing funds to your bank account, STICPAY offers a seamless experience. The platform is accessible via both web and mobile apps, providing flexibility and convenience for users on the go. STICPAY also offers dedicated customer support to assist users with any questions or issues they may encounter. They are committed to providing a reliable and efficient service to their users worldwide. In addition to its core features, STICPAY offers various other services, such as merchant accounts for businesses and a convenient API for developers. This makes STICPAY a versatile solution for a variety of financial needs. If you're looking for a secure, fast, and cost-effective way to manage your online finances, STICPAY is certainly worth considering. It's a comprehensive platform that offers a range of features and benefits for users worldwide. Be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more.